Hi Shirley, my name is Risa. I live in Korea. My summer vacation is in July. I go to the beach every day. Korea is great. Your friend Risa. Hi Shirley, my name is Runa. I live in Korea. My summer vacation is in July. I go to the beach every day. Korea is great. Your friend Runa. My name is Thea. I live in Korea. My summer vacation is in July. I go to the beach every day. Korea is great. Your friend Thea. Hi, my name is Shiny. I live in Korea. My summer vacation is in July. I go to the beach every day. Korea is great. Your friend Shiny. Hi Charlie, my name is Carl. I live in Korea. My summer vacation is in July. I go to the beach every day. Korean is great. Your friend Carl. Actually, my name is Onyx. I live in Korea. My summer vacation is in July. I go to the beach every day. Korea is great. Your friend Annika.
Hi, Sally. My name is Zadie. I live in Korea. My summer is in July. I go to the beach every day. Korea is great. Your friends, Eddie.